Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you in the middle of a killer run in Subway Surfers and your game just freezes or lags? It is so frustrating when you lose a high score to a simple freeze. But don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get your game running smoothly again. First things first, let's free up your phone's memory. The longer you play, the more resources Subway Surfers uses, especially with all the action on the screen. So before you start a new run, swipe up and close all other apps running in the background. This gives Subway Surfers the full attention of your phone's RAM and CPU, which can prevent those mid-game freezes. Next up, let's talk about heat. Mobile phones, especially older models, can get hot during extended gaming sessions. When your device overheats, it automatically throttles its performance to cool down, and that can lead to massive lag and freezes. If your phone feels hot to the touch, take a break and let it cool down before trying to run again. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the app's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Subway Surfers, and in the storage section, you'll see an option to clear cache. This is totally safe. Won't delete your high scores or coins, but it will get rid of any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the freeze. Another thing to consider is whether your game or your phone software is up to date. The developers often releases updates that fix performance bugs and improve stability. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Subway Surfers, and make sure you have the latest version. You should also check for any pending system updates on your device. Finally, if you have tried everything else, a clean reinstallation might be the answer. But a word of caution, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Google Play Games or Apple Game Center account. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Subway Surfers again from the store. I hope one of these tips help you fix those mid-run freezes and you're back to dodging those rains. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!